This is PMS Math channel. Write the following in roster form. First one, second, third, and fourth are given. Solution. First one, here a set is given. We have to write the set in roster form. That means ordinary form. That means we have to find the elements of the set. Here x belongs to n is given. N means set of all natural numbers. Here the values of x are elements of the set. Therefore, first find the values of x. Here x square less than 121 is given. Here x is a prime number. It's also given. Therefore, take this one. X square less than 121. First one, here x square less than 121. Therefore, x is here. Take this square to right side, becomes square root. Square root of 121. Less than is less than. X less than. Here root of 121 is 11. Or plus or minus 11. Minus 11 is there. That minus 11 cannot be taken since x belongs to n. N means set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers means all are positive numbers. Negative cannot be taken instead of x here. Therefore, here we can write only 11. Only 11 should be written here. X less than 11. Therefore, we can take x is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Since x is prime number. Here we have to take the values of x as prime numbers. Therefore, x is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, we can write roster form. Roster form means ordinary form of the set. Therefore, write the elements. Set bracket, then write the elements of the set or values of x. Here, values of x are the elements of the set. Therefore, we can write 2, 3, 5, 7. Here, 2, 3, 5, 7 are prime numbers less than 11. First prime number is 2. Therefore, we can write 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the set, required set. Then second one. What is second one? Second question is nothing but the set of all positive roots of the equation. Positive roots of the equation. That means roots means values of x. Therefore, first find out the values of x. That means the roots of the equation. Then take positive roots. All positive roots. Negative roots are not needed. Positive roots should be written. First find out the positive roots. First take the equation. In second question. Here given equation is x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Here this is first factor, this is second factor, this is third factor. First factor into second factor into third factor is equal to 0. In this case, we can put first factor is equal to 0, second factor is equal to 0, third factor is equal to 0. Then find out the values of x. Here x is equal to minus 1 becomes plus 1 when it goes right side. Here x is equal to plus 1 becomes minus 1 when it goes right side. Here x square is equal to, here minus 1 becomes plus 1 when it goes right side. Therefore, x square is equal to 1 means x is equal to, take this square to right side, becomes square root. Square root of this one. Square root 1 or root 1 is equal to plus or minus 1. We got the roots. Roots means values of x. Here values of x are called roots. Here roots are 1, minus 1, plus 1, again minus 1. Here take positive roots. The positive roots are 1, this one, and then here again 1. 1 can be taken again. Both roots are here equal. Therefore, write single one. 1. Now, we got the set in roster form. This is ordinary form of the set. Set 1. Now, second one is over. Then third one. Third one also we have to find the values of x. Since here the values of x are the elements of the set. That x belongs to n. That means set of all natural numbers. And in equation is given. This is not equation. In equation is given 4x plus 9 less than 52. Third one. Here 4x plus 9 less than 52. Find out the values of x from this inequality. Take this 9 to right side, becomes minus 9. Here 52 is there. Therefore 4x less than 52 minus 9 is nothing but 43. Therefore x is equal to, here into 4 becomes by 4. When it goes right side, 43 by 4. Then divide. 43 by 4 is nothing but 10.75. Here x less than this number. Then take the values of x. Here x takes the values less than 10.75. That means x is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 10 up to 10. Here 10.75 is there. Therefore, here we can take the values up to 10 since x belongs to n. N means set of all natural numbers. That means from 1. Natural numbers means from 1 we can write 1, 2, 3 up to 10. These are the values of x. Therefore, we can write the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. This is a set, required set. Now, third one is over. Then fourth one. Fourth one is, here also we have to find the x, such that x minus 4 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3. X belongs to R. R means set of all real numbers. Minus set minus 2 is given. Here, take this equation. This is equation. Take this equation to get the values of x. Then write this set. That's all. X minus 4, fourth one. Here, x minus 4 whole divided by x plus 2 is equal to 3 is given. Then find out the values from this equation. X minus 4 is x minus 4. Take this by x plus 2 to right side becomes into. Here 3 is there. 3 into x plus 2. Here x plus 2 becomes into. When it goes right side. Here x minus 4 is there. X minus 4 is equal to, here we can multiply 3 into x, 3x. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 3x becomes minus 3x. When it comes left side, then take this minus 4 to right side becomes plus 4. Here 6 is there. Then x minus 3x is nothing but minus 2x is equal to 6 plus 4 is 10. Therefore, x is equal to 10 by, here into minus 2 becomes by minus 2. When it goes right side, 10 by minus 2 is nothing but minus 5. Therefore, roster form of the given set is set minus 5. Since x belongs to R minus set minus 2. R means set of all real numbers. Therefore, we can write any real number except minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 5. Therefore, no problem. Write this set minus 5.